Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming exactly what camera you have and which port you'll use. If it's a USB webcam, make sure it's compatible with the Xbox model. Connect requires its specific adapter for newer consoles. Once done, power on the Xbox and install any system updates so drivers will load. Make sure you have a USB 3.0 port or an adapter. If the camera pulls a lot of power, use a powered USB hub to avoid connection drops. Now connect the camera physically and configure it in the system. Plug the device into a USB 3.0 port or attach the Connect through its adapter. Secure cables to prevent wobble. Next, navigate to Settings, then Devices and Connections, then Cameras to let the Xbox detect the device. Configure resolution and choose the correct microphone or disable it if using an external mic. Test the camera preview and run a short recording to verify audio and video. Finally, use the camera inside your chosen app and finalize settings. Open Xbox Party, streaming software, or a compatible app, then select your camera and mic in the app settings. Make framing and audio tweaks. If the device isn't detected, reboot the console, try a different USB port, and ensure the system is up to date. One troubleshooting tip: check Xbox privacy and app permissions and close background apps that might reserve the camera, because these.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.